as a major resistance zone for crude oil. Let us see what happened yesterday. After the price opened around this zone, you can see the market dropped initially, and you can see that there was a continuous drop till 5270, and then the market from 5270 the market tried to give a pullback to 5200 and 5320, which is our major resistance zone where we expected huge selling in crude oil. And the failure to break this zone, you can see the market didn't sustain and didn't break this 5320, and again you can see there was a drop here. The market was consolidating and there was a drop here, and then again the market tried and pulled back to test this 5320, and it was quite successful in breaking this 5320, but it couldn't sustain this 5320. So a failure to sustain this 5320 caused the market to drop down after that. You can see that the market dropped down from 5320. That is the reason why we say this 5320 is going to be a very major resistance zone for crude oil, because when the price is testing this 5320, that can be a potential drop like this. You can very well witness that. And the market tried and came down and tested this 5270, which was the intraday low which was formed during the trading session, and the market consolidated here. But in the late session you can see the market bounced back and again tested 5320 and closed around 5318. When we compare yesterday's closing, which is around 5318, this is yesterday's market where the yesterday's market closed, with the yesterday's market opening which was around 5290. You can see yesterday market closed a bit higher but was quite dominated by the sellers. You can see initially there was a selling and there was a pullback, and then there was a drop. The selling is you can see this type of selling you have. The selling is a very short and very steep selling, and again there is a pullback. So we can always say it's dominated by sellers, and it is having a quite a good resistance around 5320, but equally supported by the buyers around 5260. So this is a support zone. 5260 is a support zone. So equally potentially it was bounced back and since the price has closed around this 5220, it is going to be quite important for us to look at where the market is opening today and how the price is trading around this zone. So today we are expecting crude to open more or less near the same zone, between 5310 to 5320. So this is the zone where we expect the crude to open, not above this 5320. So if there is any opening which is above 5320, like 5340, we can confirm that the market can go higher. But since the expected opening is also more or less within or below the previous day's closing, we can all say that this zone of 5320 is going to be very, very crucial for trading in crude oil for today. So if the price is staying above this 5320 very comfortably, then we can say the market can very well pull back to 5360, which is again an intermediate major resistance zone. So it is this zone is also a very important zone. So what we can expect is that today we need to monitor the market very closely, what is happening around 5320. Initially you can go for a selling. That is what we advise. We want to advise the client, because we always trade with the trend. So since there is a closing above, still now there is no confirmation that the price in crude can go higher. So what we can do is that initially we can go for a selling and then we can test the market. Then after, if the price is staying above this 5320 very comfortably, then we can reverse our position to a buy call. So it is going to be a 50-50 chance for both the buyers and sellers. But if you are a trend follower, you can test the trend, a downtrend initially, and then when the trend was broken and if you get 100% confirmation, then we can go for a buying. So initially the market can go for a selling. All depends upon how the price is trading around 5320. So we request all the crude oil traders, this is going to be a key decision trading zone, because 5300 and 5320 again we are saying is going to decide the trend in crude oil. So if the price is going to stay above 5320, if it is going to form a comfortable bottoms, so we can go for a buying above that. Else initially we can test the market with selling, and then if there is a one way after getting a clear confirmation about the buy trend, then you can go for a buying. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Thanks for watching our video. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.